Hi guys, my name is Saad Qureshi and today I'm going to show you how to do disk partitioning in Windows 11, okay? But first of all, I would request you to please subscribe and like and must give your feedback in the form of comments, okay? Now let's start. So first of all, in the search bar, in the Windows search bar, I'll type computer management and I'm going to click this computer management. Okay, then I'm going to go in the disk management section. So let me first show you my drives here. Okay, go to my PC. Okay, now I have three volumes. Okay, these two volumes are basically created from my C drive. So what I'm going to do, from my D drive I'm going to create another drive. So I will go in the computer management, then I will go in the disk management, then I'm going to click this volume. Okay, so I will right click and I'm going to click shrink volume. Okay, afterwards what I'm going to do, enter the amount of space in shrink in MB. So let's say I'm going to give 6000 MB. Okay, 6000 MB shrink, it is approximately equal to 5.8 GB something. Okay, shrink volume 5.86 GB space has been unallocated. Now I'm going to allocate a drive, new simple volume, click next. Okay, next. Okay, now a volume drive letter, it is going to be AF drive. Okay, click next. Okay, these are the settings I'm going to set as default NTFS. Okay, now I'm not going to change anything. Click next. Okay, finish. Now look, a new volume has been created with name F. Now let's see whether it is created. Yes, it is created now. Okay, now what I want to delete this volume. Okay, now I have already created this volume. Now I don't want this volume. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to right click and I'm going to delete. So okay, click yes, make sure you read this warning, will erase all the data. Okay, fine, I don't want my data. Okay, yes. Okay, now this is going to be unallocated. Okay, now what I want this space to be back in my D drive. Okay, for that what you're going to do, you're going to go here, right click and you're going to extend this volume, click next. Okay, fine. Okay, yes. So I have got my space back in my D drive. Now let me just check. Okay, look, I've got my space back in my D drive. Okay, so I hope you have learned how to do disk partitioning in Windows 11. In the end, I would request you to please subscribe, like, and make sure you comment in the comment section and give your feedback. Thank you so much and have a great learning.